Here I have KRUGER MATZ Live 7 and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So, all you need to do right now is just use upper bar twice, swipe to the left and use the super screenshot. From the following options, let's choose record. And right now the device is recording your screen. As you can see here, you've got the information, the duration and other stuff. So if you would like to stop it, let's use upper bar. Let's just tap on the following options and choose stop. Alright, now if you would like to watch your videos, let's choose the gallery, tap screen record, and if you play this video you will see your recordings. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.